Good morning, students. Welcome back to Sudha Study Center. Today topic is successful entrepreneurs qualities. So what are the basic qualities of your successful entrepreneurs? First of all, we know what is the meaning of entrepreneurs. The entrepreneur means nothing but those who are to willing start a new firm or new industries. So that people are called entrepreneur. So all the entrepreneurs are not succeed in their life. That is why there are basic qualities or having that people only successful in the life. So what are that qualities only? So the topic is qualities of successful entrepreneur. So this is a BCom subject topic, that is entrepreneurship is a subject for BCom students, and then in that subject this topic is, that is qualities of a successful entrepreneur, is a very important in the examination point of view. This is a 5 mark answer. So what are the qualities we will see? The first quality is willingness to take sacrifice and assume risk. And then second one is hard work. And then third one is optimism. And then fourth one, self-confidence. And fifth one, leadership. So these are the basic qualities of a successful entrepreneurs. One by one, we have to see. First one, willingness to make sacrifices, assume risk. Because a new entrepreneur is always full of difficulties and then unanticipated problems. That is why he is willingness to sacrifice and assume the risk. How he sacrifice himself? Because he is prepared to be sacrifices time, energy, resource in order to carry out the venture and make it success. So this is called willingness to make sacrifice and assume risk. Assume risk means always is expecting some risk only because it is a new product or the new venture. So that is why the risk will be assumed by the entrepreneur. That is the first quality. And then second one, hard work. Yes, willingness to work hard distinguishes is a successful entrepreneur from an unsuccessful one. So the hard work is only become a successful entrepreneur. So the successful is not very easiest task because of the hard work only gives the successful only. That is the second quality. And then third one, optimism. So the successful entrepreneurs are not worried by the problem that they always face many problems. That is why they are optimistic about the future only. So this enhances their confidence and drive them towards success. Next, fourth one is self-confidence. So it is a very, very important quality for a successful entrepreneur, because without the self-confidence, he cannot do his entrepreneurship. So this is the greatest asset of a successful entrepreneur. He must have the confidence to make choices alone and bounce back when he fails. And the next one, leadership quality. So a successful entrepreneur generally has strong leadership qualities. So he should be a good judge of human nature and a good leader also. He must be able to select, train, and develop persons who can properly manage and control the labor force. So that is a leadership quality is very important to the successful leader, successful entrepreneur. Yes, okay. So what are the main characteristic in an entrepreneur is, there are 2 points. The first one is doing things in a new and better manner. That is called innovative method. So the innovation is always very important quality of the successful entrepreneur. And then second one, decision making under uncertainty, because the conditions are uncertainty, not the shoe. So that is why that time he is taking a best decision, because there are so many choices of the decision to solve the entrepreneur problems. So that time, which is the best one and which is the suitable for the problem solving method. So we have the also. So that is making uncertainty, and then he will take some good judges. So that is called good leadership only. So here we conclude. So all the above must be gifted a large measure of practical common sense. And an entrepreneur is not limited in any class, community, or region. So there is no large bar for any person who possesses certain behavioral traits can work to become an entrepreneur. Thank you.